Every day at this factory, hundreds of taps, mixers, and fittings are made out of a mixture of metals ready to be used in our bathrooms, kitchens, and gardens. These beautiful taps start their life at the casting department or foundry. This is where the metal manufacturing processing control technician coordinates and monitors the smelting of the brass and casting of the taps. Early in the morning, before the casters arrive, the metal manufacturing control technician heats up the casting molds. Next, he turns the heat in the furnaces or ovens in which the mixture of metals is going to be smelted to 1020 degrees Celsius. He checks the stocks of the different metals that will be used in the furnaces to make our taps. Brass is a combination of zinc and copper, into which other minerals are carefully added. He also checks that enough cores have been pressed. These cores are made of sand and resin. They go inside the mold to shape the hollow part of the tap where the water can flow through. Once the metal has reached the correct temperature, the casters can pour the liquid metal into the molds. This takes a lot of skill. The brass has to be poured at the right speed and angle. And if anything is wrong with the temperature of the metal mixture, our taps may crack or leak. To ensure that the correct mixture is maintained, a quality controller takes samples of the metal throughout the day. These samples are tested in a spectrometer and the results are then recorded for each furnace. The metal manufacturing processing control technician carefully monitors these records to solve any problems and to make sure that there is no wastage. He needs to have a matric with a pass in maths and science. A qualification in production management and quality control are an advantage in this field. There are also some automated casting machines in the foundry. The gravity casting machine is used for casting large pieces. Because of the weight of the pieces, the process can be very complicated, and the metal manufacturing processing control technician is on constant standby to solve any problems. At the end of the shift, the control technician meets with the foreman of each section to discuss whether daily targets have been met and if there were any problems with the quality of the pouring. Samples are cut open to see if the casting is even. The satisfaction of this job is to know that one day these taps that were poured in a hot and noisy environment will bring water into people's homes.